Raman and IR spectroelectrochemistry can be used for advanced characterization of structural changes in electroactive compounds occurring during an electrochemical process and for in situ study of reactions mechanism.
The main advantage is the possibility of observing the signal arising from the intermediate products of the electrochemical process or investigating process in which the products cannot be separated.
Prior to performing spectroelectrochemical studies, use cyclic voltammetry to determine the potential ranges of the redox processes of interest. To begin the procedure, rinse an indium tin oxide-coated quartz working electrode with deionized water. Sonicate the quartz ITO electrode in acetone and isopropyl alcohol in sequence for 15 minutes each. While the ITO electrode is being sonicated, burn the working area of a platinum wire or spiral counter electrode in the flame of a high-temperature gas torch just until the wire becomes red. Allow the wire to cool to room temperature in ambient air. Remove the reference electrode from its storage electrolyte solution and rinse it 3 times with the solvent to be used during the measurements. Clean the appropriate spectroelectrochemical vessel with ethanol, isopropyl alcohol, or acetone, and allow it to dry. Clean the other components of the cell with acetone and allow them to air dry for at least 1 minute. Once sonication of the ITO electrode is complete, allow it to air dry. Then prepare at least 10 milliliters of a supporting electrolyte solution with a concentration at least 100 times greater than the target analyte concentration. If applicable.